Hello everyone. Michael Dockery was born on 15th of December 1981 in Rush Green, England. She is an English actress and known for her role as Lady Mary Crawley in the ITV television period drama series Downton Abbey from 2010 to 2015. Michell also received Primetime Emmy Awards for Outstanding Lead Actress in a drama series 3 in a row and a nomination for Golden Globe Award. She had made her acting debut in the play His Dark Materials in 2004 and her film debut in the film Spoiler 2010. Michel's father's name is Michael Francis Dockery and mother's name is Lorianne Whitton. Dockery attended Chadwell Heath Academy and Finch State School. She also graduated from Guildhall School of Music and Drama. Dockery stands at a height of 5 feet 8 inches and weighs around 58 kg. She has a well-toned body with 33 inches of bust, 25 inches of waist and 35 inches of hips. She has dark brown hair and light brown eyes. She was in an affair with John Deanan. They had started dating in 2013. They also became engaged in 2015, but sadly the affair vanished with the death of Deanan from a rare form of cancer on 13th of December 2015 at age of 34. She has an estimated net worth of $4 million. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and share this video.